How's it going, everybody? It's Mr. Ninja Soul coming at you. We're going to do an unboxing video today. I just got the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. I'm going to get it all set up, but I'm going to unbox it and then I'm going to set it up off camera. And of course, it's going to have tape on it. Luckily, I've got something I can cut it with. That's it. Here we go. Okay, that should be doing. Here we go. And it's a box inside a box. Goodness. My big old fingers in here without cutting them. Oh. All right, there's one box gone. Let's see what we got in here. All kinds of goodies, probably. Little pamphlet. Okay. Probably the USB cord. Yep, USB cord. Okay, I'm gonna definitely need that. Okay. A little booklet, of course. Let's see what's under this. Ooh, this sucker's heavy. And the microphone itself. Ooh, like the little logo design there. Let's see. Here she is in all her glory. No, ma'am. Okay, where's the power cord? Oh, never mind. Oh, okay, I know. Okay, there we go. Never mind. I'm done. But anyways, that's it. That's everything that was in the box. And we're gonna get this set up off the stream, everyone. So hopefully it's as good as they say it is. I'm really hoping it is anyway. And I'm hoping it did not just waste $160 on it. Got it because it was on sale. So hey, there we go. Back in there so my cat has decided to jump in it. Anyways, this is how big the microphone is. Very nice. Of course, all your buttons. And your mute button on top. I guess you just push on, I don't know. Alright, we're going to get this set up off the stream and we're going to be good to go. Alright, everyone. Have a good one.